Tim, our results are out today, quite a year. Tell me about your highlights.
I thought it was a great year. It was a great year both for retail and for solutions. So in retail, we made some great changes for the customers, and that resulted in strong growth. And we did well with the facilities to get more volumes out of Hatfield, more volumes out of Dordon, particularly exciting Andover to see it ramp up as much as it did, and to see 500 robots plus there interacting on the grids, show the board that this week. That was great. The solutions business, Luke only joined us in Feb to take over the team there, and we've really seen great progress. So getting 3 deals signed, getting the big deals signed with Groupe Casino in November, and then in January following that up with Sobeys, really excited to be looking forward to building those sheds.
And what I'd probably add to that is it's great to see our retail business continuing to gain share in a market, in an online channel which is growing itself. So a real testament, I think, to our platform and the hard work of our team. So that's certainly true.
So Duncan, how do you feel about the numbers?
Well, one of the interesting things is this is the first time we reported our numbers for our retail business separately from our solutions business. The retail business grew on the top line, which is great. We invested heavily with new capacity in Andover, more new capacity in the year ahead. So still progress in the retail business. It's nice that we can invest. Our retail business is such a good cash generation business. Our customers are very loyal, so we can use that cash that we generate from the retail business to keep investing in the platform.
And you're happy about the pace that we're going to invest in technology and engineering next year, because we really want to ramp it up, because really the time is now. We've got to get this thing out there, we've got to get it ready to launch for Sobeys, for Casino, and be able to sign a lot more deals.
Yeah, in the year we refinanced, and the debt markets are very supportive of us, and we will keep investing because the opportunities are huge. Remember, grocery is the biggest of all the retail sectors, and we think, I think, you think, we all think that we've got the best platform. So great opportunity now to keep growing that platform for ourselves and our customers. What about internationally with our big signings this year?
I'm feeling really excited about the signings, obviously. Great to now be in 3 countries, as well as the UK, building 2 big sheds in Paris and in Greater Toronto. And looking forward to more signings, and also kind of getting ready to launch those businesses with our partners.
So who are the competitors? Who else can provide these solutions?
I don't think there's anyone out there that can provide what we provide, that enables our partner companies to offer an amazing level of service to their customers, but do so at an economically viable and sustainable way. When I look at them, people are either trying to build something small themselves, and they're realizing that it's very hard to scale it, that it doesn't work brilliantly, doesn't offer a great service. Some people are using third-party solutions, crowdsourced type solutions. The problem with them is they add a lot of cost. So the service to the customers is a premium service, or the retailer's heavily subsidizing it, leaving nothing in it for them, and they're also sometimes losing their customer data at the same time. And so our solution is, I think it's unmatched, and that's, I think, what Sobeys saw and Casino saw. Innovation
going forward, robotic picking, those sort of things. How confident are you about us doing that soon?
Look, it's really exciting, some of the R&D that we work on, and the 10X teams and the robotic teams, and what efficiencies that can drive in the future. And yeah, I hope it's not long till we've got at least 1 robotic picking cell in Andover where we can showcase our capabilities and make the whole solution more and more efficient for us and all our partners globally.
So Tim, a pretty transformational year. What's the year ahead? What's the prospects for the year ahead?
Real excitement for 2018 and 2019. We've got huge opportunity. We've got challenges. The time is now, I think, because we've validated that we're in the right line of work. We've validated that the platform works. We've started to sign up customers. We've got retail growth. We've got massive solutions opportunities. Really excited.
Well, we haven't got time to sit here talking about it. Let's get on with it then.
Let's go.